Hello again, everybody. This is Kyle Imhoff, Pennsylvania State climatologist here at Penn State. This video is a follow-up to a previous video where we talked about adding users to an account. So remember, that's a feature available to county administrators. This video is also for county administrators. This is going over the process of removing or deleting a user from the system if they need to be removed from the portal. And we'll also discuss how to view users that you have assigned to specific groups. So I'll show you how to look at which users are in which group so you can double check and make sure people are where they're supposed to be and where their assignment is for user groups here. So to start off with, I always start the landing page just to remind you of how to get to the user management system. So you want to start off at the top right-hand side of the screen, the applications button. And like we've done before, we want to go to the alerts application. Once you're at the alerts dashboard, it'll start loading some imagery and the alerts that are active. We're going to want to focus on that wrench button on the left-hand side of the screen where it says manage. And we want to go to the user management portal here. So let's go ahead and click on users. And it's going to load all of the active users in the portal right now. So once this user list fully loads, I can show you the process of deleting an individual user. So just for illustration, I'm just going to go to the first user on the list here alphabetically. And if you click on the name of the user, so you can see that's listed, it's in the kind of the blue part of the tile at the top. That's the username. I'm going to scroll down to delete account. So you're going to want to click on that. Now, I'm not actually going to go through the process of deleting, but it'll pop up a confirmation dialog box, make sure this is something you want to do, and you would go ahead and either cancel if you made a mistake or click on that delete account button, and that will remove the user from the system. Now, if you want to look at what users are within certain user groups, so for the purposes of this system, most of our groups are organized by county. I'll show you how to look up the specific groups for that. Now, right now, in the testing phase, when I'm making these introductory videos, there's only a few counties that actually have users in them. So if you go ahead and type the word county, you'll see down here a group listing pops up. There's Adams County and Delaware County. The county admins are all of you folks watching this video. So those will be everybody in the system that's not a general user that doesn't have some of the privileges that you have with adding and removing users, those sorts of things. So if we just look at, if you click on a specific group that you're interested in, again, this list will populate with additional counties once you assign users to specific groups. Click on Adams County and you'll see there's one user currently in Adams County. So that shows you what the group looks like. If we go back here and I'll show you there was Delaware County, you'll see that there's two users in the Delaware County group. And just remember, when you're doing a search like that, let me go back and do that again. When you click on Adams County, remember that you have to collapse the dialog box so you can see the users if there's only a few users in the group. So that's how you actually see the users. You just have to collapse that menu button. Okay, and then for the county admins, you'll notice that most of the group right now, based on this beta testing portion of the portal, you'll see that most users are in the county admins group, the admins county group that you see here. So this is a list of 6 pages worth of users to look at who are in that group. So that's how you can view who are assigned to specific groups, as well as how to delete a user. Just as a quick note too, while we're looking at the admins county, remember that you only want to assign users to this group that you want to have management privileges. So be able to invite other users and be able to have some management of the system from that perspective, okay? So be careful about who you're assigning to what user group, okay? So most of the time your users should be in whatever county contacts list you have, but I just wanted to emphasize that point. So with that, those are the two processes for deleting users and looking at groups of users and making sure people are in the proper binning for what they should be in related to user privileges. Okay, so with that, that's the end of this video. And again, if you have any questions, specifically technical questions on the portal itself, feel free to email me. My email address is kai5024@psu.edu. Thank you.